Here we are, folks. My cuttings are turning out pretty good. I also put in the rest of them that were in there not growing fast enough. I put those in there, and these are kiwi, and some of them were other types of plants. Like I have a couple of grapevines in there, which are here. These two here, that are darker colored bark. They should start responding soon. They just got put in there last night. So there we go. We got these in there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful leaves. Kiwi, Isaiah kiwi, has the ability to produce fruit without a male or female. It is a self-pollinating plant, and I love that about that plant, that characteristic. Well, folks, I brought the fertilizer that I had out of the car and brought it in here. This is for my last conquest of getting something for something out of these stores. I mean, you know, they had this right here on, what do they call it? They had it on clearance. And I actually called the company and asked them why. And they said, you know, because I mean, it was just too many bags that said Dr. Earth on it. Why is this bag not selling? What's going on? Why are they clearance? He said there were 2 units that didn't sell. It was this one here, Root Tone, and this one here, Total Advantage. Whatever that means. Total Advantage. That's what it says here. It says roses and flowers fertilizer. Now, spoke to a representative of the company, and he says it's really good fertilizer, sir. He says it's the best of both worlds. You could grow roses with it, or you could grow vegetables with it. Which, you know, I appreciate him giving me that information, which I knew, but I appreciated it because anytime you have something here that is really good for roses, it means that it stimulates blooms. And so there you go. And I looked at it and said, okay, I'm fine. Now let's see, how many bags do I have here? These are what are these, 4-pound bags? Yeah, 4-pound bags. Went for $2.80 a bag. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 bags. So basically, I cleaned them out of what they had there for this particular product. Now, will I go back there and check again that it's getting so close to spring? No. No, I will not do it. They may still have things on sale at what they call it, Home Depot. And this right here, this is liquid fertilizer. I make it up for my plants every year, and this has been sitting in here for a few weeks. Make it up, you know, it's a teaspoon of some all-natural water-soluble fertilizer made primarily for starting seedlings, and that's why I use it. So I'm getting ready to, I got some soil mix here, right there, in a container. I'm getting ready to finish making, and then and that's going to be it. I'm doing good. I got this right here. I've always bought a big one, folks. Always buy the big one because I make a lot of soil mix. I make a lot of potting soil and all that. And I was actually thinking about getting another one, but this might do me. I don't want to have too much stuff around, because when I start crowding the house up with these type items here, when I hit these sales, I need to have room to put this stuff, and so I don't need to get too much. But I'm gonna try to turn this into a big deal, and you know, because some people, while they saw me taking out a car, some of the neighbors were asking me, were you selling any of it? And I said, no, not selling any of it, but I will grow some plants and give them to you. So we can go from there. This has been the Morning Gardener. Thank you thank you very much, folks. Oh, you see my cups. I know you see my cups in the other video. See that? The homemade Homemade cups. Allow for root air pruning. So there we go. These are just regular cups you would get. You see them? I put holes in them with a soldering pan. It's real easy to do. Check out the video on that. This is the Morning Gardener. And here we go, folks. I still got some of these left from 3 or 4 years ago. And they were 50 cents a piece. Normally go for about $6 a piece. And I got up top here some when it was already used, but you know, about, shoot. These are, what are these about? Yeah, these are about 50 cents each. I paid for these. Yep, in my little greenhouse here. All right, folks. Buying them dead of winter. Dead of winter.